Let's go, Carlos. What's good? All right, y'all. Built by Rob RC. We are at the Speed Run Raceway. We out here with Vic. You already know what time it is. He's running that 1100. His favorite, XLX2, Onyx 8300 speed run packs. All right. Shout out to SMC. Built by Rob RC is official SMC ambassador, but
those are next.
Yep, those are next. But we out here today, and we got a crazy Corona body on there. Shout out to Crazy Corona. You out here next, my friend. And Vic about to get it in today. Get a warm-up pass, and then we're gonna see something in the 1 high 60s right now. But yeah, he got his car dialed in. Nothing too crazy on it. Perfect pass chassis, perfect pass drive shafts. You know, good enough. Plenty good, nothing crazy. So we're gonna get laced up, and then we're gonna get back at y'all with the speed run. We'll be right back. All right, we back. The raceway is clear. Nice chill day with the traffic. Vic is taped up, laced up, ready to go. And it's time to get busy, y'all. I got my speed run car, but it don't make no sense to me running mine when, you know what I mean? We got Vic out here. It's about to make magic happen. Yeah. Nice and clear day, clear skies, clear road. Oh yeah. Got to stand out. Yep. A little first one, a little quick one. Let's fill the car out. Battery's nice and hot.
I can see the difference. They're nice and hot.
435.
You happy right now.
435. Let's get it going. You clear it down this way. Just line it up and let it go. Not a car on sight. Memorial Day weekend, everybody home chilling. Not a soul on the road. You know, people always talk shit in the comments about Vic and his stand, but you don't miss some greatness. Just let it go. Clear. Clear as day. Don't even look down that way. It's clear. Ain't nobody coming.
Been what, a couple months?
Just like riding a bike.
Right.
Yep, you good. Left, 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 left. Right, right, right. Nope. There you go. Perfect. Turn it around, bring it right back. Nice first test pass. I'm giving that a 155.
I was thinking like 153.
Yeah. I'm giving it a 155. Yep. But you know how the second pass is.
That's all I'm taking. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna go off the boat like I usually do.
Yep. Yep. Now the batteries is ready. Now after this, they ready. $166. We both off. What I tell you, I told you it's gonna be one of them days. Fast, man, moving. The ESC's not even on. It's bashing gearing.
I haven't even floored to like the.
Nope, right there. All right, y'all. 166 first pass. We back at y'all with the next one. All right, we back. Second pass. Like we said, first one 166 easily. Testing unexpectedly. But now he's back for another one. Yeah.
Recording?
Yep. Yep, zeroed out. Yeah.
I need some more braking, so I gotta get off.
Yeah.
You saw how it started coming up over to me? I let go.
Yeah.
And then I got back.
And then you got back on it. I know, I seen it. That's what I said. So 166 on a bad pass. I'll take it.
For what? You said 165, 166.
Yeah, I said it. Yeah. I just know that 1100 can. I already know like what it is. I already know where it's geared at. I already know where you got it. It's the easy. Ain't that TP. We gotta be funny with it. Or some days you be scratching your head. No, this 1100 is gonna give you that 160 something plus every time. You clear it down that way. Clear. Yep. Clear. 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 Extra clear. Come on. Get it right. Now let's go. Let's go. Left, left, left. No, Vic.
Trying to flow up.
I seen that. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we back off a small tumble. The only thing he lost
I dropped it.
was a splitter.
I dropped the phone.
You dropped your phone? Oh, man. All right, well, get in the car. He dropped the phone, so we'll be right back after you get the phone. All right, he's back off getting the phone. Small crash, but the GPS is still tracking. 167.
Not bad.
1 mile an hour faster. All right, yeah.
Take that.
And you broke the little wing thing.
Yeah, a little winglet.
I got another one of those if you need it, for sure. And the wing. Besides that, that's it. I'll take it. Body's still intact. Everything's still good. That's light. All right, y'all. 166, 167. Man, we back. I'm gonna get my car fixed up and get back out here, y'all. I know I've been procrastinating, but man, Vic got it going. Passing the rock. Passing the rock. Till next time, Built by Rob. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we out of here.